common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. I want to jump on here and talk about an interesting setup we have in our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Any of you that are members of patreon.com/learncrypto would recognize that in the past, when the Technometer in that index got below 40, it gave us unbelievable buy signals over the last years. We've had this since probably 2017, 2018. So once again, I want to jump in here today and show the setup that we have. Go to the bigger screen. So the OP index is here in the blue, and you can see that it had a nice rally that coincided with the blue 5 waves up in the Elliott wave theory. And again, we're following our Wyckoff indicators, but I do like to throw Elliott wave labels on crypto. So what's got me here is the Technometer once again is trading at 40, which has not happened since these last two green highlights that gave pretty good buy levels. Not as perfect as it has in the past, because some of these are lined up over and over perfect. But today we are at 40. That's why I'm doing this video. But again, as volume comes into the market, we get a clean 5 waves up. And then you can see as the volume has turned negative, that ushered in this upward slanting irregular flat ABC. Now normally that's ABC lower, ABC up, and then 5 waves. So if you zoom on that, it looks like maybe, we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4. It'd be nice to see a new low here below this 105,739. Again, that's not the Bitcoin price, that's the price of the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. But a little lower here today, tomorrow would give us the 5 waves down. It would be really nice to come down here and spring these previous lows of the A wave. So that would be ideal. But you can see your volume over the last, since April 8th, has hit new lows while price is much, much, much higher. That's a bullish indication. And then again, we get the Technometer down below 40. So, and this Elliott wave count would be 5 waves up and a really high level ABC pullback that's really at the same level where the wave 5 topped out. So that makes you feel like this market is ready to explode higher once this OP index, which is volume, once that OP index turns higher. So I think it could get exciting. Any rally from here I would chase, I would add on as we work higher. But again, that's something to look at. And then if you'll see here, if we go back and look at some of the recent green level buys, you can see that a lot of major lows were picked here and nice rallies coming off of it. There's one that missed there as the markets was in that major correction. But otherwise, the green buy levels give us really good buy entry levels. So that's why we're looking at this. And again, by Elliott wave, another new low here in the next day or two would give us a really good setup that you definitely want to take. So we'll be on the lookout for that. But I wanted to update our Patreon members and get them prepared. This would mean really that a good rally is coming in Ethereum and the altcoins. So I think that's what it tells us more than anything is crypto sector will turn higher, but Ethereum and some of these altcoins might have a nice little rally here. Since I changed our indicators to TradingView and changed my software, I couldn't show you historical times when our Technometer got below 40 for the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. So I wanted to go back and show a screenshot of when that happened in the last few years. So as you can see here, down at the bottom, the green line was the 40 level. Every time it touched that, we have a green highlight. And then the corresponding levels on our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. And you can see here, all of these caught the bull market rally perfectly, caught the correction perfectly, really caught everything. These two buys here would have got you in trouble. It did give you a small profit, but that's the only thing that would have got you in any trouble. So just wanted to show Technometer below 40, Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. You want to pay attention. That's all for now. Thank you.
American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.